If you guys enjoy my videos and play Minecraft, you may also enjoy my Minecraft server. Now the IP is on screen or it's in the description below. Anyways, enjoy the video. Hey, what's going on guys? My name is Anthony. Like this video if you want to see a 75 facts about Minecraft video. But anyways, today I will be bringing you guys a video showing off more crafting recipes that could maybe be added into vanilla Minecraft. Now if you guys do enjoy today's video, then be sure to give this video a like rating as it's going to help me out a huge bunch. Now as always, if this video is able to hit over 5,000 likes, then that would be amazing, not gonna lie. But anyways, without further ado, let's go ahead and get straight into today's video about crafting ideas in vanilla Minecraft. I hope you guys enjoy it. Okay guys, so the first crafting recipe that could maybe be added into the game is going to be a crafting recipe for the grass block. Now this block at the moment can only be obtained by a tool that has the Silk Touch enchantment on it. So let's go ahead and collect it right here, and you can see that I'm able to collect it because I've got Silk Touch on my shovel. But if you don't have Silk Touch, you cannot get this block at all, which is kind of annoying. So I thought a cool idea for the grass block in order to craft it would be to collect some grass by using some shears right here. You know, very easy to do, very easy to craft shears as well, so that shouldn't be too much trouble. And then if we go over to the chest, you'll see that I've got some dirt in here, and we can go over to the crafting table right here, and pretty much the crafting recipe I thought of, well, it's already out there on the internet, but I still think it's a very good recipe. And the recipe would be to have 3 dirt right here and then 3 grass above it. You know, very simple, very easy to do, and the recipe would give you 3 grass blocks, which is quite a fair recipe if you ask me. And yeah, that is quite a simple but very useful recipe for players that don't perhaps want to get Silk Touch. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. So right now I am in the rare but fantastic looking mushroom biome right here, as you can see, and yes, they are extremely rare to find. So I figured the next crafting idea to put in this video would be a crafting recipe for this mushroom block right here, because you know, you can only obtain these if you perhaps find roofed forest biomes or mushroom biomes, so they can be quite hard to get. So I figured I'd add a little crafting recipe for them. So if we go into the chest right here, you'll see that I have 9 red mushrooms, which is, you know, going to be used for the crafting recipe. And if we go in the crafting table and get all of these red mushrooms and put them all in the grid, you will see that I craft 1 red mushroom block right here, which I think is quite an appropriate recipe for this block. So let's go ahead and craft it, and there you go. You will now have another way to obtain this block in the game, but let me know if you think this should be added. Now since I made a crafting recipe for the red mushroom block, I figured it would make a lot of sense to also make the exact same recipe for the brown mushroom blocks. Now you guys can already guess how these are going to be crafted. Yep, that's right, instead of red mushrooms you would just use brown mushrooms. So let's go ahead and go in the crafting table and put in 9 brown mushrooms, and you'll see that you're able to craft the brown mushroom block as well. So yeah, that is another block in Minecraft you could potentially obtain by crafting it instead of finding it naturally. Very cool indeed. Okay guys, so I have just been doing some mining, and look what I found. I found some diamonds right here. Let's go ahead and mine it. There we go. I love finding diamonds in this game. It makes me so happy. But yeah, I can finally craft a diamond pickaxe now. So let's go ahead and do that. There we go. Awesome. I've got a diamond pick. And what does that mean? Well, I can now mine some obsidian. Here we go. This is really fun. This is getting boring. Oh my god, I don't want to do this. This is going to take so long. Why can't I just craft obsidian? Okay, let's go back to the crafting table. Here we go. Ooh, I've got a lava bucket and a water bucket right here. What if I put these on top of each other? What's this? I've got a crafting recipe for the obsidian. Oh my god, why can't this be in the game? This would just be amazing. Okay, I get it. I know you have to play Minecraft and, you know, spend all that time mining obsidian, but it does take forever. I wish there was just a shortcut sometimes, but let me know if you think obsidian should be crafted. The next crafting recipe that could maybe be added into Minecraft is a set of recipes for the horse armor. Now, as you guys can see, I have a horse right here with some horse armor equipped already, and I actually crafted this with some items. So let's go ahead and head over to the chest right here, as I have some items in it to craft some horse armor. And as you guys can see, I have already laid out the recipes that I think the horse armor should be crafted with. Now, if you you, old school Minecrafters didn't realize already, this is actually the old recipe the horse armor used to use before it was removed. So if we go ahead and take the wool and the diamonds out of the chest right here and go and put it in the crafting recipe, you will see that I am able to craft some diamond horse armor right here, which is very cool. Now, this was the recipe that was used in the 1.6 snapshots, but Mojang decided to just remove it from the game and made it so you could only find horse armor by looking in dungeons, for example. And yeah, you can only find it naturally, but maybe they could add this recipe back into the game, but let me know what you guys think. Okay guys, so the next crafting recipe that could maybe be added into Minecraft is a recipe for the creeper head and the skeleton skull. Now, the skeleton skull, for example, is extremely rare to get because, you can only get it if a charged creeper kills a skeleton. Now, what are the chances of that happening? That's pretty rare, to be honest. So I thought I'd come up with some silly crafting recipes for these mob heads, so let's go ahead and enter the crafting table right here. And for the creeper head, I figured 8 gunpowder around the edge and then 1 TNT in the middle would be quite fitting for the recipe because creepers drop gunpowder and creepers explode, so TNT makes a lot of sense. So that is the recipe for the creeper head. And then for the skeleton skull, I figured 8 bones since the skeleton drops bones upon death, and then a bow in the middle since the skeleton wields a bow as a weapon. And yeah, those are pretty much my recipes for the creeper head and the skeleton skull. Let me know what you guys think. It's trivia time! This is the part of the video where you guys show me your Minecraft knowledge by me asking you a random Minecraft fact question. In older versions of Minecraft, you could destroy bedrock. True or false? Okay guys, so I have talked about this crafting recipe hundreds of times on my channel, but I still to this day have not decided what I think this crafting recipe should even be, and that is the crafting recipe for chain armor. So if you guys didn't know, back in the earlier days of Minecraft, you used to be able to craft chain armor by using fire, and you couldn't obtain fire in survival mode, but that was the crafting recipe for chain armor. But yeah, now you cannot craft chain armor, and I thought the crafting recipe idea for this item should be done with iron nuggets. Now, to create iron nuggets, you just get iron ingots and put them in the crafting grid, and there you go, you get iron nuggets right here. So if I go over to the crafting table right here and try and craft some chain armor like so if I craft a helmet, you'll see that it's done with iron nuggets, which is pretty cool in my opinion. I think this is quite a fitting recipe since chain armor is sort of the worst variant of iron armor, and it makes sense that it's a bit cheaper to craft it. And yeah, I feel like it should just be done with iron nuggets, to be honest. Or if you want to maintain the fire aspect of the chain armor recipe, then just use lava buckets. I mean, that's the closest thing you're gonna get to fire because you can't get fire in survival mode. To this day, I still don't know how chain armor should be crafted. You guys should definitely let me know in the comments below. But yeah, chain armor. Alright guys, so in this clip I am joined by my 2 friends Ryan and Will, and in this clip Will is going to be my test subject. Are you looking forward to that?
Nope.
Yeah, there isn't much enthusiasm from Will because he's going to be dying in this clip. So pretty much what I'm going to be showing you guys is a crafting recipe for the cobweb, because I personally think this item should be craftable because it could be a great weapon to use against your friends. So a crafting recipe for the cobweb would be 5 string like so. It's a very simple recipe, as you can see. So just get 5 string and you've got a cobweb. So let's go ahead and craft it. And I'm going to go ahead and place down 4 of them right here. And my test subject is going to jump into them. There you go. And Ryan is going to be killing him.
Don't touch my loot.
I think I'm going to touch your loot. Oh my god, look at his body, guys. Look at his body. Oh my god, this looks hilarious. Look at him. This looks brilliant. Ryan, what did you do? Okay guys, so the final crafting recipe idea we have on our list today is going to be the ability to turn armor back into the material you crafted it with. So for example, I've got diamond armor right here, and I would love to be able to just put my diamond helmet back into the diamonds I crafted it with. Now, the only condition of doing this is that you cannot damage any of these armors, otherwise it will not work at all. So as you can see, I could put my helmet back in the crafting grid and I can get my 5 diamonds in return. And if I want to craft the helmet again, I can do it like that. And then just do the reverse recipe once again. So let's go ahead and put all of these, armor pieces back into the diamonds. There we go. I've got my 8 diamonds from the chest plate. And now let's do the leggings. 7 diamonds right there. And finally, let's do the boots. And there we go. 4 diamonds. So in total, we got 24 diamonds. And I got all of those from the armor pieces that I created. But anyways, guys, that just about does it for today's video about crafting recipes. I really hope you all enjoyed it and or found it informative. Now, once again, if you want to play on my Minecraft server, then the IP is play.idmchub.net. But I'm going to go now, so thank you all so much for watching the video. It is 2 AM, so I need to go to bed. So thank you all so much for watching. Have a fantastic day, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye! If you made it this far into the video, comment diamonds below. Katie, I think you're sort of cool. Joking, you're really cool.